Let's be honest, it happens to the best of us. That's where payday loans or alternative lenders like Uprova come in. They offer quick cash to bridge the gap, but before you dive in, there's a crucial question. Does Uprova do a credit check? This question can make or break your decision. A credit check can impact your credit score, which can affect everything from loan approvals to renting an apartment. So, let's unpack Uprova's credit check policy and explore some alternatives, all to help you make an informed decision. Here's the deal. Uprova's website itself is a little tight-lipped on the exact details. They do say they use a proprietary scoring system to evaluate your ability to repay the loan. That sounds fancy, but it basically means they have their own way of assessing your creditworthiness, which might or might not involve a traditional credit check. Now, we do some digging. According to their FAQ section, they disclose that they may run a credit check using a credit bureau. This tells us two things. One, a credit check isn't guaranteed with every application. They might use other factors to assess your eligibility. Two, if they do perform a check, it could impact your credit score, especially if your application is denied. But wait, there's more. Uprova also mentions reporting successful repayments to alternative credit bureaus. This sounds positive, right? Building credit with your Uprova loan. But here's the catch. These alternative bureaus might not hold as much weight with traditional lenders like banks. So what does this all mean? The answer is, it depends. Uprova might or might not check your credit score, and even if they do, the impact might be minimal. However, the lack of clarity and the involvement of alternative credit bureaus can be a red flag for some borrowers. Now, let's explore some alternatives. Cash advance apps. These apps offer small advances against your next paycheck, usually with no credit check involved. However, they might charge subscription fees or require instant repayment, which can be tricky. Pay down friends or family. This can be a great option if you have a supportive network. Just be clear about expectations and repayment terms to avoid any awkwardness. Negotiate a payment plan. Talk to your creditors. Many companies are willing to work out a payment plan that eases the burden. Consider a credit union loan. Credit unions often offer lower interest rates and are more flexible with bad credit scores compared to traditional banks. Remember, these alternatives come with their own set of pros and cons. It's important to weigh your options carefully before making a decision. Here's the bottom line. Uprova might or might not check your credit score. Their loan terms might be helpful in a pinch, but there are alternatives to consider. Always prioritize responsible borrowing and explore all options before committing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and financially empowered.